to leave the premises immediately or you will be arrested for trespass. You are hereby trespassing this
Not a
location.
subscription.
They're canceling it.
They can't do that
Yes, they can.
without notice.
Yes, they
Well,
can.
then I just purchased a wash.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Unless they're going to refund me my
Listen to
money
me.
right now. I
As
still
of
have
now,
a subscription.
it